Hey guys, on Tesla app update 4.25.0, you can now see your wall connector inside the app. You do need to have a Gen 3 wall connector to be able to do this, so I'm going to show you how to set it up coming up. So go ahead and get into your app, go to the top right, hit the account icon, and then if you scroll down a little, you'll see add remove product. You want to hit that. And now you'll see if you scroll down, you can actually see there's a wall connector now, which wasn't there before 4.25. So if we go ahead and hit that, then we can go ahead and start adding it. So first thing you want to do is hit get started. And then take your quick guide that you got with your wall connector and scan the QR code. If you don't have it, you can scan it off the physical wall connector as well. So go ahead and pick up the device, scan QR code, and then put in your home address. So I just put in home as an example and then hit next. Then what we're going to do is you're going to hold your plug button for 5 seconds. And then what you'll see is you'll see the wall connector should be one green light and pulsating like this. So once you see that, you know that the wall connector is it's sending out the signal to connect. Hit that button, join the network, and let it connect. Then it's going to ask for this. Go ahead and hit allow. And then it should connect. And the first thing it's going to want to do is update software. So this took like 5 minutes. It took way more than 2 minutes. So be patient with it. Then it's going to restart after it gets the software update. And then what you're going to see is you're going to see lights that look like this for mine because I have a 60 amp breaker. So it's all 5 lights. And then it should go back to one pulsating light, just like that. So once it does that, then it's going to want to connect it back again to the Tesla Wi-Fi. Hit OK. Let it restart. It's going to say software updated. And then what it's going to do is it's going to register the wall connector to your account. It's going to automatically do that. You can't really control that, so just wait. Once it's done with that, then it'll say complete. And sorry, I missed the screen, but it says complete, and then it goes to this screen. So this is the home screen. It's just another button in your account. If you have solar, it's going to be in that button. So as you can see, the car is charging. I'm charging my Rivian. That's why it's like a generic car. If you're charging any of your Teslas, you'll see the actual visualization of the car. So if we look in here, charging history, you can hit that. It's kind of bare right now. Hopefully they add more stuff. If you want to do settings, you can actually control the scheduling. So you can only let the charger charge at certain times. And then if you want to change your Wi-Fi, manage users on the account, and your home info is what you can change. So that's how you do that. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.